A step-by-step guide to Fidelity Debit Card begins with understanding what the card is and its benefits. The Fidelity Debit Card is a cash management tool that allows you to access your Fidelity account funds at any time, making it a convenient way to manage your finances. To get started, you will need to open a Fidelity account and apply for the debit card, which can be done online or by visiting a local branch. Once you have received your card, you can activate it by calling the phone number provided with your card or by logging into your Fidelity account online. After activating your card, you can start using it to make purchases, pay bills, and withdraw cash from ATMs. The Fidelity Debit Card is accepted at millions of locations worldwide. Wherever Visa is accepted, you can also use your card to make online purchases and pay bills online. To use your Fidelity Debit Card, simply swipe or insert your card at a merchant location and enter your PIN to authorize the transaction. For online transactions, you will need to enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. It is also important to keep track of your account balance and transaction history to avoid overdrafts and ensure that your account is secure. You can do this by logging into your Fidelity account online or through the mobile app. In addition to the convenience and flexibility it offers, the Fidelity Debit Card also provides a number of benefits, including no foreign transaction fees, no ATM fees, and purchase protection. This makes it a great option for those who travel frequently or make purchases online. To get the most out of your Fidelity Debit Card, it is a good idea to set up account alerts to notify you of large or suspicious transactions, and to regularly review your account activity to ensure that everything is in order. You should also keep your card and account information secure by not sharing your PIN or account login information with anyone. By following these steps and best practices, you can use your Fidelity Debit Card with confidence and take advantage of the many benefits it has to offer. Remember to always keep track of your account balance and transaction history, and to take steps to keep your account secure. With the Fidelity Debit Card, you can enjoy the convenience and flexibility of a debit card, while also having access to a range of benefits and features that can help you manage your finances effectively.